Hello guys, good morning. In this video, we are going to discuss on how to use AWS CLI, how to configure AWS CLI, AWS CLI configuration, and more details. How could we able to connect to our AWS CLI to AWS console, means to our AWS account. So let's quickly jump on to AWS CLI download. In Windows, as I'm using Windows Mission currently. Okay, click on this link, installer update AWS CLI. If you go down, you can able to find the options to install in Linux, Mac OS, Windows. As I'm currently using my Windows Mission, we can directly execute this command. If we execute this command, it will ask. So let me log into my, let me open my command prompt. It will ask. If you execute this command, it will pop up a window like it is installing our AWS CLI into our mission. Let's wait for some time. It will take around 1 to 2 minutes for complete installation to be completed. I'm not pausing the video. Let's wait for a second. Yeah, it's been completed. As in my system, it's been already there. That's the reason it is not popping up. If you are doing it for the first time, then you have to click on the next, and yeah, you have to complete the installation. Okay. Once the installation completed, just close this command prompt and you can open a new command prompt and type AWS. If you are not getting, if you are getting these means, see, AWS is present in your system. So AWS help, you can try it. You could able to get the list of options like this. That means AWS is installed in our system. So we can use basic options like I will test something AWS S3. This command will show the list of S3 buckets present in our AWS account. As of now, I haven't connected to my AWS CLI, means haven't connected or configured my AWS. It may throw some error like invalid credentials, something like that. We'll wait for the output. Yeah, in this example, I have already configured my credentials. That's the reason it is throwing this. Let me quickly log into my AWS and I will disable my credentials and I will show you the error. Okay. Let me log in using my root quickly. And I will try to disable my security credential. You have to click on this and you have to click on security credentials. Then you get the option called, if you scroll down, it is called activity keys. See, it is done 2 days ago. As I have this access key already configured, I'm getting this error. So let me quickly deactivate it and quickly delete this. Okay, I'm deleting this. So just try now by using this command AWS S3ls. You will get an error. See, the error occurred invalid access key while calling the list of buckets action. The AWS key ID provided doesn't exist in our record. So let's try to create a one access key quickly. Okay, let's understand. Don't share this access key or secret key with anyone else. If you are sharing this, it may cause some issue. Anyone could able to access your AWS account. So quickly, for demo purpose, I'm showing this. After this, I will deactivate that access key. AWS configure, click on this. This is how we need to configure our AWS CLI. See, it is asking for access key. Let me quickly copy this access key and let me paste it. is asking for secret key. Let me quickly copy this. Let me paste it this. Okay, default region episode 1. I'm giving the default regions. Now AWS S3 LS. Okay. Now I will try to create a one S3 bucket in my account, and I will try to show you how we could able to list out the S3 buckets. Let me go to S3 and let me create one S3 bucket. You can't create bucket. Currently, I don't have any bucket. So example bucket 1 demo. I'm giving some random ID, so it won't give any errors. Why? Because it must be the unique across the globe. Okay. Let's try it. Simply create the bucket. Okay, bucket is created. Let's try to access this bucket or list this bucket from AWS CLI. For that, AWS S3 LS. Yes, see, bucket 1 demo 5633. The same is visible here. If I want to delete this bucket from this AWS, RB for remove bucket S3 colon this bucket name can be. Okay. It thrown some error. I believe what is the error? Maybe some issue with the command. Okay. AWS S3. I mistook S3. Okay. After AWS, we have to put the service name. After that, the operation we have to AWS S3 remove bucket. So my bucket is to remove. Similar way, we can use MB to make the bucket. Let me give MB to make the bucket. We can get all the details from AWS CLI documentation. Suppose AWS, you can search AWS CLI S3. It will give all the options here. Based on that, we can able to get the details. Okay. See, CP, MB for make the bucket. Like that, we can able to search. See, MB is a make bucket. The syntax looks like AWS S3 MB. This one, S3 errors. In progress, what is the issue? Let's see whether my S3 bucket created or not. It's not yet created. Let me try to create one second here. S3 make bucket. This one. Make bucket failed. Operation calling the create bucket operation. A conflict condition. Operation is currently in progress. Ignore this resource. Let me try to give some different name. Yeah, my bucket is successfully created. The reason why it's failed the last time is we are already deleting the whole bucket. Maybe there is some latency. That's the reason. Okay. Now let me try to remove the bucket. Yeah, bucket is removed. Let me refresh this page. Yeah. After this demo, we can do. So this is the basic demo how to use CLI. Once everything is completed, better as I am sharing my credentials in public platform. I'm going to remove my credentials here. Click on this, similar to this access key. If anyone having access to this key, they could able to log into your AWS. So that's the reason. Let's make sure we should remove the credentials, the access keys whenever we don't require it. Just see, now I have removed my access keys. So if I try to AWS S3 LS, see AWS S3 LS, sorry, typo, AWS S3 LS, it will throw some error. See, invalid access. That's it. That is from this for this demo. Thank you for watching.